Amazon rainforest, alternatively the Amazon jungle or Amazonia, is a moist broadleaf tropical rainforest in Amazon biome that covers most of the Amazon basin of South America. The majority of the forest is contained within Brazil with 60% of the rainforest, followed by Peru with 13%, Colombia with 10%, and with minor amounts in Bolivia, Ecuador, French Guyana, Suriname, and Venezuela. The area of Amazon is 6.7 million square kilometers. The Amazon represents over half of the planet's remaining rainforests and comprises the largest and most biodiverse tract of tropical rainforest in the world, with estimated 390 billion individual trees divided into 16,000 species. The Amazon rainforest is home to 427 mammal species, 1,300 bird species, 378 reptile species, and more than 400 amphibian species. We've seen a lot of dolphins, but have you ever seen a pink dolphin? There are these pink dolphins on Amazon, so let's see some details about them. The Amazon river dolphin, also known as the boto, bufeo, or pink river dolphin, is a species of toothed whale classified in the family Inidia. The Amazon river dolphin is the largest species of river dolphin, with adult males reaching 185 kilograms in weight and 2.5 meters in length. Adults acquire a pink color more prominent in males, giving it its nickname pink river dolphin. They have one of the widest ranging diets among toothed whales and feed on up to 53 species of fish such as croakers, catfish, tetras, and piranhas. They also consume other animals such as river turtles and freshwater crabs. Like other dolphins, river dolphins use whistling tones to communicate. Sloths are a group of arboreal neotropical cynanthropy mammals constituting the suborder Folivora. Noted for their slowness of movement, they spend most of their lives hanging upside down in the trees of tropical rainforest of South America and Central America. There are 6 extant sloth species in 2 genera, as 3-toed sloths and 2-toed sloths. Despite this traditional naming, all sloths actually have 3 toes on each rear limb, although 2-toed sloths have only 2 digits on each forelimb. Sloths are so named because of their very low metabolism and deliberate movements. Sloth, related to slow, literally means laziness, and their common names in several other languages also mean lazy or similar. Their slowness permits their low-energy diet of leaves and avoid detection by predatory hawks and cats that hunt by sight. Sloths are almost helpless on the ground but are able to swim. The shaggy coat has grooved hair that is host to symbiotic green algae which camouflage the animal in the trees and provide it nutrients. The algae also nourish sloth moths, some species which exist solely on sloths. The harpy eagle is a neotropical species of eagle. It is also called the American harpy eagle to distinguish it from the Pupian eagle, which is sometimes known as the New Guinea harpy eagle or Pupian harpy eagle. It is the largest and most powerful raptor found throughout its range and among the largest extant species of eagles in the world. It usually inhabits tropical lowland rainforest in the upper canopy layer. Destruction of its natural habitat has caused it to vanish from many parts of its former range, and it is nearly extirpated from much of Central America. In Brazil, the harpy eagle is also known as the royal hawk. The black caiman is a species of large crocodilian and, along with the American alligator, is one of the largest extant members of the family Alligatoridae and order Crocodilia. It is a carnivorous reptile that lives along slow-moving rivers, lakes, seasonally flooded savannas of the Amazon basin, and in other freshwater habitats of South America. It is a large species, growing to at least 5 meters and possibly up to 6 meters in length, which makes it the third largest reptile in the Neotropical realm, behind the American crocodile and the Orinoco crocodile. As its common and scientific names imply, the black caiman has a dark coloration as an adult. In some individuals, the dark coloration can appear almost black. It has greater brown banding on the lower jaw. Juveniles have more vibrant coloration compared to adults, with prominent white to pale yellow banding on the flanks that remains present well into adulthood, at least more when compared to other species. The morphology is quite different from other caimans, but the bony ridge that occurs in other caimans is present. The head is large and heavy, an advantage in catching large prey. Like all crocodile-like animals, caimans are long, squat creatures with big jaws, long tails and short legs. They have thick, scaled skin, and their eyes and nose are located on the tops of their heads. This enables them to see and breathe while the rest of their bodies are underwater. The black caiman is the largest predator in the Amazon ecosystem, preying on a variety of fish, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Their reproduction takes place in the dry season. Females build a nest mound with an egg chamber protecting the eggs from predators. Hatchling from groups called pods, guarded by the presence of female. These pods may contain individuals from other nests. It is a dangerous species to humans, and attacks have occurred in the past. The green anaconda, also known as the giant anaconda, common water boa or sucuri, is a boa species found in South America. It is the heaviest and one of the longest known extant snake species. Like all boas, it is a non-venomous constrictor. The term anaconda often refers to this species, though the term could also apply to other members of the genus Eunectes. The green anaconda is the world's heaviest and one of the world's longest snakes, reaching a length of up to 5.21 meters long. The color pattern consists of an olive green background overlaid with black blotches along the length of the body. The head is narrow compared to the body, usually with distinctive orange-yellow striping on either side. The eyes are set high on the head, allowing the snake to see out of the water while swimming without exposing its body. Primarily aquatic, they eat a wide variety of prey, almost anything they can manage to overpower, including fish, amphibians, birds, a variety of mammals, and other reptiles. Particularly, large anacondas may consume large prey such as tapirs, deer, peccaries, capybaras, and caimans, but such large meals are not regularly consumed.